PTSD or post-traumatic syndrome may have had something to do with this. Other health issues as well, very real issues for the families of service members and veterans. But there are resources in military communities like San Antonio to help us cope. Our Jessica Degollado visits a program known as Grace After Fire that helps female veterans, as well as spouses of active military.
I've been diagnosed with PTSD. I was diagnosed after 9/11.
In treatment ever since, it was the first time the Air Force veteran had told anyone. An example of non-combat related PTSD.
It comes from any crisis that military member or civilian can experience.
And regardless of gender, McKinnon leads a group session of Air Force and Army veterans. They come to Grace After Fire for helping in dealing with life beyond the military. Also a veteran, McKinnon says she and her active duty husband had symptoms themselves.
A noise, a picture, or just the weather outside. It can be anything that can trigger a memory.
It's believed whatever haunted Ivan Lopez also impacted his wife, who it said held their child in her arms as she desperately tried to call him.
Not only is she asking why did he do this to others, but why did he do this to himself and to her family.
Some fare better than others, but too many don't. They, like the Fort Hood shooter, take their own lives.
Unfortunately, something went very wrong. And it's not unfortunate, we should be angry, and we need to do things about it.
Although he was being assessed, Ivan Lopez had not yet been diagnosed with PTSD. McKinnon with Grace After Fire says there's no magic pill for it. Now, among the many local resources available to service members and their families is a Center for Healthcare Services. You can call 210-261-1000 and then just ask for Veteran Services.